Hello guys! Meron tayo dito dalawang magandang Omega watch. Actually, maganda sila for gifts. Ayan, both are in stainless steel. Yung isa po is with diamonds. That's it. Sapphire glass na rin siya. Mother of pearl po yung kanyang face. And yung kanyang mga kamay, ano po yan, glow in the dark. Ayan po siya. This one is a Seamaster, Omega Seamaster with diamonds. Aquaterra po. And this one is a Constellation, Omega Constellation. Vintage na po siya with extra link. Etong si ating diamond, wala pong extra link yan. Nasa 16 to 16.5 lang po yung kanyang wrist size. Pero this one, kaya po yan kahit malaki, siguro 19, 20 kaya. Ito kasing suot ko na sa 17 yan. So, ayan siya. Meron po siyang calendar, napakakinis din. Sapphire glass, stainless steel. Ang ganda-ganda. Both sila napaka-pretty. Yung face size nito, kung ihahambing natin, is nasa 20 peso coin, 33 to 35 mm po. And this one is nasa 5 peso coin po. So, pero both sila is halos big face na, especially this one, big face. So, ayan, napakaganda. Napaka-pretty nilang dalawa.